Yeah, guys. Hello, guys. This is your guy Michael, display strategic trader. All right, guys. How's everything? And it's been a while. I uploaded a video, and you see. Anyway, first of all, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I've been very busy, and I've been occupied. But notwithstanding, I'm still here with you guys, and I want to show us a particular trade that we analyzed together on our Zoom meeting, last Zoom meeting, when someone told us to analyze this particular pair here on indices, volatility 51s index, and also it is a confirmation that the pattern we trade in my trading arena, my premium strategy, just the way I used to tell you, it can trade anything that has charts. It's the same pattern. Once you are able to understand the concept of trading, what the candle represents, what the chart represents, and everything, it will be very easy for you to analyze any trade. I mean, any trades, be it crypto, be it indices, binary indices, be it volatility indices, boom and crash, stock, or whatsoever, Nasdaq, just name them. As long as it uses charts like this, you are good to go. Yes, that is the quality of what I offer in my mentorship program. But it is not meant for lazy people. It is meant for people that want to take their time and learn this thing, not people that are looking for fast money, because I detest laziness. Yes. All right. So for us to be able to I analyze this trade for us, and it happened just the way I analyzed it, and I'm still going to analyze it again for those of us that were unable to join the trading, or to join the Zoom meeting rather. So I'm going to analyze it for us once again. All right. And if you are here for the first time, pardon my manners, I welcome you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for locating this channel. Thank you for clicking on what you saw that made it to come to this video to watch. And I thank you for your trust. Yes, let me thank you ahead, because this channel lets me inform you that we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. 100 pips is our minimum. It's our minimum target. So once you are able to target 100 pips, 100 pips is enough for you to actually have a successful trading, even in a day or in a week. So as I was saying, I'm going to analyze something for us and how this trade actually went, and it will help us to shaping our mentality, our mindset when it comes to trading. All right, so let's come to the first thing we have to check out for when we want to take our trade. So if you look at this area, oh, sorry. If you are here for the first time, please do well to subscribe, do well to like this video, and do well to comment. Leave your comment. Your comment is an encouragement that I'm not teaching myself. Your likes is your likes give me an encouragement to let me know that I'm not talking to myself. I'm actually creating value. Someone somewhere is learning from what I teach, at least. Or maybe I'll just stop doing this thing. Anyway, do well to subscribe, and do well to subscribe, and do well to like and leave your comment. I used to tell us something. See, you don't need you don't need to stress yourself when it comes to trading analysis. Even if you don't use my own pattern, if you don't use my trading strategy, if you have any trading strategy that is working for you, I will always say this thing: the best way to use your trading strategy that is working for you is to know how you can make use of it, analyzing from a higher time frame. Yes, from a higher time frame, be it weekly, monthly, or daily. So just try and know how to adjust your trading strategy in order for you to analyze on higher time frame. Look for how it's going to work for you on higher time frame. If you're able to discover how your trading strategy works on higher time frame, it will be very easy for you to catch trades. If it will be very easy, or you for example now, look at this particular trade. This is a weekly time frame, and all I needed was just two candles. You see, see, it's just like that. Two candles is enough to actually pay. These two candles in your position is enough to actually pay your salary. I'm telling you, it's enough to pay your salary. See, this particular pair now, the minimum lot size of this particular pair is 0.05. Are you getting me right now? But I'm on 0.01, and meanwhile on that 0.005 rather, and on that 0.005, okay, let me use this one. This is times 2 of 0.005, which is 0.01, and currently each trade here is giving more than $500, which means if you use the minimum lot size, which you can even enter with maybe $10 or $20 trading account with accuracy. So that means if you have a very good lot size, a very good entry pattern with small account, and you hold just one position of this, with just the two candles, that means currently, if this one is giving me 500 plus per entry, that means 0.005 is going to be generating like $250 plus right now. Is that not enough for you? Like, just you entering your trade with $20 and or maybe risking $10, and you're having what is called, you're having more than $200 plus right now. Do you understand what I'm saying right now? So once you are able to know how your trading analysis, how your strategy can actually work for you from weekly time frame, it's going to be very easy for you. It's going to be very easy for you to touch big pips. It's going to be very easy for you. Like now, I can easily add more trades. If I'm on $10 before, I opened this account with $20, and my trade is here and it's on $250, I can easily add more trades, add more trades, add more trades, and you just keep on growing your account. And when you keep on growing your account, I may decide not to close this trade until I see a reason to close it, until I see maybe a reversal pattern of this sale that is happening right now. I don't know, maybe you understand what I'm talking about. Now let us do this simple analysis. See, the analysis here is very simple. It is very simple. I told us that during the meeting that these are liquidity levels, these are the liquidities area, and I cannot stop telling us or talking about liquidity level out that it is the one that determines the aptness in the market. It is the one that actually tells us what is going on in the market. Now look at the liquidity levels here. Look at the liquidity level here, levels here, and the wisdom you need now, the knowledge you need now is to know which liquidity level should you chase first. Which liquidity levels are they going to hunt before going for another level? And here we saw that on that fateful day, this liquidity level here was cleared with this aggressive movement here, with this aggressive sell movement here. And I told us a rule that once you are able to spot a liquidity level being cleared like that, price will come back. Price will do what? Price will come back to retest that liquidity level, that level that produced that aggressive movement that's cleared the liquidity level. What am I talking about? Just a simple example. Look at this place here. Look at this place. We have, if we draw our trend line here, we are going to be having liquidity levels, and we saw an aggressive movement that's cleared all these liquidity levels. Price had to come back and did was and retested all those important areas. Yes, we have like 3 important areas in this place, 3 or 4 important areas in this place. My premium strategy will actually allow you to know which area to focus on when liquidity is being taken off, so that you not stress yourself. You just look for it. Once it's there, you take your trade. Once it's not there, you don't you just look away. Yeah, you look away. You don't frustrate. So now you can see now price came to retest this area again, this area after clearing the liquidity levels here. After clearing the liquidity level here, price came back to retest that area. So if you look at this place also, these are liquidity levels. When it was coming to retest this area, it created another liquidity levels. It came to retest this area and it bought for 2 weeks, 2 good weeks. That's like times 2 of what happened there. So now if you look at this area, price also gave us another reason to want to sell, because it came and clear liquidity levels here. It's not about clearing liquidity levels. There are some marks, there are some signs that price leaves after clearing liquidity level to know if it's going to bounce back, because sometimes price may just clear liquidity levels and after clearing it will not do anything. Look at this place now. We have liquidity level here, we have liquidity level here. Price came, cleared this one, came back, cleared all these areas, then it bounced. If we look at it, if you look here very well, premium members will know that after clearing this level, it gave us a trademark around here that is going to buy. And anyone that saw this trade when it happened, we actually know that he or she had to buy. Yes, he or she had to buy aggressively to this stage before you now take your sell. That is by the way. Let me just continue. So after that, it cleared this liquidity level, then it came back to retest some sensitive area here, and here we are already waiting if it's going to give us reason to sell in that area. Then we can now go to maybe daily time frames and see, just at least just look at how everything goes. And if you look at it very well, it is very plain here. If you look at this small thing, we have a structure being broken here. It was broken to give us a lower low. It came back and gave us a lower high, and it's coming on a journey to give us another lower low, and the lower low may not even end right now. So if it gives us reason to now to change the pattern, to change the structure of the market, then we can now close our trade. But for now that it hasn't shown us any reason why we should close our trade, then we are going to hold our trade. We just have to take partials, then lock our profit and see what is going to happen. So maybe by next video or our next Zoom meeting, we are going to be analyzing these trades together, or some other trades in this area. This is not currency now. This is volatility 51S index, 1S index, which has to do with binary pair. Here, this is a binary pair, and we can see that we've been holding it for 2 weeks, which on daily time frame it shows some days that there were times where it had to range a little before it broke out, and it created another liquidity level here. So now we are going to ask ourselves, are we meant to look for a buy so that we can clear these liquidity levels with them, or we should just continue to look for how we can clear these liquidity levels here? That is going to be our next target in the next or coming videos, we can easily come to 1 hour and just see what has been happening here, and we can see series of ranging markets. Liquidity be taken out here, giving us a lower low, came back to give us a lower high. After giving us a lower high, price came back to give us a lower low. But here, if you use the structure of the market to analyze this, we are going to see that at this level price already showed us why we should be looking for a sell. Because if we check the market, the structure of the market here, it's just a simple trend line that we can use, and once the trend line is used, we are going to see how that the trend of the market was broken. Yes, after all that, it was broken here with this aggressive movement, and after broken, in fact, it's something here. If you're not careful, you think it has broke it was broken here, but it didn't break there. It was just a trap for them to also clear some stops. But after clearing those stops, it produced an aggressive movement here, which actually broke the trend line. It came back. Don't forget, trend line, our own trend line always represent liquidity levels or liquidity areas. So after breaking that, it came back on a retest. After coming back on a retest, the next thing was an aggressive movement, and it was the retest that we entered to give us a good sell like this. Yeah, a good sell like this. Calculate the pips yourself. You can see the entry and everything. So this is how to trade gold, to target good trades, and this is how to actually make sure you don't you don't chase price. Once your pattern is presented, approach it. The pattern I use on my premium can be used. The trading strategies on my premium can be used to analyze anything. And don't forget, the price is going up very soon. But at the same time, it's not necessary, it's not compulsory you come for premium. You can just analyze this, spend some time with your chart. Everything that I've been explaining, if you actually watch your chart very well, you can actually get it even without you needing any premium. Go and check my playlist on liquidity. Study my videos. If you really love what I do, study my videos, sit with my videos, and everything is going to be easy for you. Sit with my videos, study them, look at how I do things, look at my full steps, look at the things that I watch. If you're able to get it, that is very good. If you're unable to get it and you want to upgrade your trading strategy, you want to go to the next level in your trading career, you can easily come and subscribe for my premium, and we are going to write everything together. We are going to analyze trades together and all that. All right, guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. And don't forget, if you don't have a good broker, it is going to be a problem, because there are some people that have a good trading strategy, but they don't know how to select a good broker for themselves. You can just check out my brokers on the video description and just enroll with any one of those brokers, so that you'll be able to have a good trading strategy, a fair uh, 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 what is called, so that you will be, see, I cannot stress myself, so that you will not enter brokers. We have some scam brokers outside there, so that you not be, fall victim of scam brokers, whereby they'll be increasing swap fee, taking swap fee, increasing margin and others when it comes to some special events. All right, guys, if you know, you know. If you don't know, may you receive understanding. This is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Leave your comments, and we are planning for our next Zoom meeting. All right, guys, bye bye. Take care. I believe what I receive.